In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage actionable email with Todoist. If you're like many people, managing an overflowing inbox can sometimes feel overwhelming. But with Todoist, you'll discover a streamlined approach that will help you easily navigate through those emails and turn them into actionable tasks. So, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll need to connect your email to Todoist. Todoist offers seamless integration with popular email services like Gmail and Outlook. Begin by installing the Todoist add-on specifically for your email client. This feature is designed to make task creation from emails incredibly convenient and efficient. Now, let's create tasks directly from your emails. Once your integration is set up, you'll notice an Add to Todoist button right inside your email client. This nifty button allows you to create tasks with a single click, capturing the email subject as your task name and the email body as your task description. It's all about saving time while ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. To enhance your tasks, add a due date to each, set a priority level, or label them for better categorization. Adding a due date ensures that you never miss a deadline, and setting priority levels can help you distinguish between what's urgent and what can wait. Labels also allow for better organization and quick access to specific tasks when you need them. With your tasks created, it's time to organize and prioritize them. Start by capturing all actionable emails in your Todoist inbox. Once you have everything laid out, move these tasks into relevant projects like work, personal, or perhaps follow-up to keep them organized. Utilize Todoist's priority feature to rank tasks from P1 for urgent ones to P4 for those of lower priority. This will help you manage your time more effectively, focusing on what truly matters. Don't forget about reminders and recurring tasks. Schedule reminders for any important deadlines directly from the email task you created, so you're always alerted ahead of time. For emails that require regular follow-ups, such as weekly reports or monthly check-ins, set them as recurring tasks. This ensures consistency without you having to manually set a new task each time. Finally, you'll want to incorporate a regular review as an essential step in your workflow. Habitually reviewing your actionable emails on either a daily or weekly basis will keep your Todoist updated and functioning effectively. During these reviews, clear out any tasks you've completed and adjust the priorities or due dates as needed. Keeping your task list accurate and current maximizes productivity and minimizes stress. And there you have it. By using Todoist to manage your actionable emails, you transform a potentially chaotic inbox into a streamlined list of tasks that are organized, prioritized, and easily manageable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you bring order to your inbox chaos.